All right, everyone. I hope everyone having a great Sunday. I hope you're having a blessed Sunday and everything's going good for everybody. So, guys, I decided to go back out yesterday to the place that I was fishing with. I had minnows left over, so that minnow that live uh, bait outlet that I go to in Louisville for $10, man, you just get so many minnows that you one person can't use them all. Either you're gonna throw half of them back, or you can try to save them for the next day. So I actually saved the minnows for the next day. I had my pump on, fresh battery in there, last overnight. Put the minnows in the fridge, they last overnight. Went back out there, guys. I did the same thing. I was trolling on my one gear, the slowest gear, and dropping the minnows down. And I had to go a little bit deeper because yesterday I had an overcast. That's why I think they was biting shallow. Today they was biting a little bit lower than when I was fishing. Also in the video you're gonna see I found a couple stumps where I was fishing and catching fish off the stumps. So the next time I go out there, I might even anchor down and just fish by those stumps with some bobbers so you guys can see those bobbers going. But I hope y'all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys, and keep thinking. And I keep thanking you guys over and over and over for the support. But it do really mean a lot to me that y'all supporting the channel and stuff. And I see the growth. So I hope y'all continue to like the content. Hope I can get better and better with the content. And we're just gonna keep the party going. So you guys enjoy this video, and you have a great rest of your Sunday and start the work week off. Or if you guys not working, retired, y'all enjoy, but start the next day off as a blessing. Thanking God that we woke up again, and just keep on moving forward and trying to survive. Y'all have a great one. Enjoy this video. Peace. All right, YouTube, we're back on the waters. Same spot from yesterday. We're gonna see if we can catch us some more crappies in the same area, doing the same thing, slow trolling, you guys. We're gonna see if they'll bite. So let's get this party started, you guys. Let's see what happens. I hope y'all having a great Sunday and a blessed Sunday. So let's get it going. I mean, I should get bites. It shouldn't be, you know. And then they might just be right under. Sometimes you can go. Sometimes it can be too low. Here we go. He on there. Oh, he on there. Another. So the white crappie. Don't throw my minnow off. Don't throw my minnow off. That's a white crappie there, you guys. All right. I'm gonna make sure I ain't too low. I might switch this one over like I got the other one instead of the drop shot set up. Just trolling in circles. So yesterday, you guys remember I was catching. It's a tree. I was catching them over that way. I'm not seeing anything busting over there, like coming up. They over here. You see them right there? See all them fish coming up? So that's where they at. So they school, they chase shad. So you just gotta follow. Boy, there's a lot of them over here coming up, man. They just, oof. God, I'm gonna catch something over here. It could be bass too, though. Look at them, guys. Look at those swirls. Ooh, they busting over here. Here we go. Let's see what happened. God dang, they feeding big time, you guys. They are feeding big time. Look, they jumping right here. They all over here. Look there. Look at all them. Look at them swerve. You look, they popping them shad. They got them going over here, boy. Got him.
Got him, you guys. Got him, keeper. Oh, keep. Out here trolling. There you go, guy. But I don't want him this big. I want him bigger than this. But that is a keeper. That is most definitely was a keeper. Might have should have kept it. It might be hard. I done missed some big fish. I mean some big fish. I got one right here. That's a keeper. That going home with me right there. That one going home with me. That one going home with me right here. Ooh, look at the slab, you guys. 11 and a half right here. Big old, I'm getting one right here. I was getting one right there. There you go. Getting a bite right here, you guys. They are active today. There we go. Got that on the grub. Small though. Not nothing to brag about. A little bit on it. It might have been the smallest one I caught it since I've been out here. That's that stump right there, you guys. I think they hang around that right there. That should have went down. The stump right there in the water. Here we go. I see one right here. Yep, see, they by that stump. Ooh, that's a big one, you guys. He got off. God, dog, that joker got off. Gotta get bigger hooks. Bigger hooks. ASAP. There we go. Got one. Nice big one. Right by the stump. Right where I said we're gonna be at. Right there by that stump, you guys. Can't lose that stump. I don't got about 7 or 8 bites right here. Yeah. All right. So let me drop this one back down. That's a keep. That is most definitely a keeper. There we go. I think I'm gonna switch this over from the drop shot. Well, I'll leave it like that. But I'm gonna go deeper just because I think the sun is out and they probably drop down in the water column. I'm gonna get right back over there where the stump at. And the way I know is because of that tree. So it's right here. Let's gonna see if we can get us some nuts some more. Here we go. There you go, right there, you guys. You can see. God dang it. I don't want to get tangled up in it. I don't want to get tangled up in it. Good little spot, though. Am I on the bottom? Got one. It's a little baby. A little old baby. I'm enjoying myself. I'll probably get one on this one in a minute. There you go. So now that I'm not trolling, I'm gonna switch this other one over. The same way I got this one. Cause it's not really getting no bites. Well, let me see. See if we can find that stump again. It kind of went off a little bit. I know it's around here somewhere. Should have brought my sunglasses. I didn't bring them. Monster slab. Monster slab, you guys. Boy, that trolling does it. That trolling get the job done. That trolling getting the job done. They want it moving. That's what they want. They don't want it sit still. They want to chase. It's fall pattern. They want to chase you guys. Look at there. They want to chase. They don't want to sit still. All right, let me get a. As soon as I start trolling, bam, they hit. Let me get another minnow on here, and then we'll get back out there. See, you can sit still all you want, and you might catch one or two here and there. You might, but they want it moving, you guys. They're out. They're feeding all the way till it get cold, and that's what they're gonna do. All right, see, I'm moving pretty good, you guys. I ain't moving slow. He bounced it. Let it go. Got him. Big one. Big boy. Got him. He decent. It's a keeper. Not humongous, but it's a keeper. About a 10.5. There you go, you guys. Shoot, actually, I'm glad I measured that. That is probably borderline keep. I don't think it's a keep though. It's not a keep. I think they went deeper, you guys. I honestly think they on the bottom because the sun is out. So I'm gonna go down to the depth, to the bottom, and then troll from the bottom all the way down till they get on the bottom. Okay, I'm on the bottom. Then I'm gonna come up just a little bit. Now we're gonna troll while it's down there and see what happens. I got a fish back here. My thing was just in the water. I'm glad it wasn't big and put my pole in. It was on top of the water. There you go. Got one. Keeper. Keeper. Came off too. Thank goodness. Came off in the boat. Oh boy. That's not a keeper. I'm gonna measure it and see. I don't think it's a keep. Nope. Yeah, they hitting now. They hitting right. There we go. Got that joker. Oh, he came off. God, dog, he came off. Came off. There we go. Let me see if I can go back and get some more. Man, I'm getting bites. There go one right here. It's a keeper too. Nah, it wasn't a keeper, but it was pretty close to it. Going a little bit deeper now, guys, because the sun is out and they started back biting up. I had slowed down for me in that shallow 1-2 feet. Now the sun is out, so I went deeper and they right here. They stacked. It's probably about 12 something, probably about 11:30, 11:15. Getting one right here, you guys. Let it go. He hit it and let it go. Here we go. Both of them. There we go. Got that one. Big old crappie. Oh, look at that slab. 10.5. 10.5 11-inch crappie right here. I'm surprised I didn't get a hit on this other one. He bounced it, but he didn't take it. There you go, YouTube. All right, let's get it back out there. Turn us around. Turn us around. Surprised ain't nothing took that one yet. Once I go past this tree, I ain't getting no bites. I noticed that. 3 minutes to go. I'm trying to use them all up. I can go, uh-oh. Got one. Oh, that's a good one, guys. It's a monster right here. Let me slow it down here. Oh, that's a big crappie. It's a big, oh boy, that's a big one right there. That's a hog right there, you guys. For me, anyway. That's a hog right there. God dog it, my good googly moogly. Good googly moogly. I think I'm getting another bite when they drop down in there. Look at that. He on there probably. Yeah. Well, they right here. They right here, you guys. I'll probably get a bite right there before I show this camera. Man, look at that big old crappie, you guys. God dog it. This fish jumping all around here, man. They all out here. Got one. Got one. Ah, he got off. You ain't gonna get them all. That's one thing I do know. You ain't gonna get them all. That's one thing I do know. All right, everyone. I'm having a great day, guys. Now, I missed a lot of big ones when I first got here. But some big ones. I caught a few big ones, so you guys saw it. A lot of throwbacks, a lot of fish you ain't see on here. I think I'm getting one right here, and I'm enjoying myself. So I hope y'all having a great Sunday so far. So we're gonna stay at it for about another hour, and I'm gonna call it a day. Trolling. Main coated thrust, a 30-pound thrust, and I'll keep it in first gear, and I just go back and forth and see if I'm in 6 foot of water, 6-7 foot, and I just see if anything hit it. Got one. Not a keeper though, but he hit. Not a keeper, but he hit. Calm down. Through my, you know. I'm just trying to use these minnow up people and get on out of here. That's all I'm trying to do. That's all I'm trying to do, guys. I see a whole bunch of people out here after I posted that video yesterday. Big old carp sitting right there. All right. So it's about right there. Oh, that's deep. That's pretty deep. Look, one of them hit that jug while I was dropping. Carp sitting right there just relaxing. I'm talking about a big old carp. First time I ever seen that in my life. And I've been fishing for a long time. I went right by him. He didn't even move or anything. I'm on the bottom. Yeah, you see him right here, you guys? Big old carp right there. Y'all see that big old carp? That thing about 30, 40 pounds. I'm gonna go by him and see if he'll stay right there. Oh, here we go. Look right there, you guys. That's a big old carp just chilling. He gonna move when his boat touches. I got a fish right here too. Look at it, he about to take off. He went on down a little bit. Oh man. He just he didn't go all the way down. Just laying right there chilling. There you go, it's not a keeper. Bluegill's down there, taking the eyes out of the minnow. Okay, I'm getting closer to the end, you guys. I'm trying to finish these minnows off. Trying to finish these minnows off. Yeah, there we go. All right, everyone, I think I'm getting ready to head on in here. Kind of slowed down. I know it's probably about 12 noon. Yeah, 12:18. I got out here by 9 o'clock, so caught a lot of fish, you guys. Caught a lot of fish. A lot of undersized, right below 9. I mean, right below 10.